Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to play math game A48 that is called Even Chain Solitaire, and this is similar to short chain solitaire, but there are just a few differences. First of all, they're all the even numbers, so you'll only be using the even numbers, no odd numbers. So look on page 41 here at the bottom. It'll tell you how many of each card to get for your deck for the game. And then on the next page, you will need to reference these pairs of numbers here. These two numbers, these three pairs, are the numbers that start each chain. You'll need that. Sometimes in class, I'll write out something like this. So the first chain starts with a 6 and a 6, and then a 4 and a 4, and a 2 and a 6. Now, unlike the last solitaire game, short chain, these chains do not end with the first number it starts with. So if you look down here, I hope this is clear. The first chain ends with a 0. That's why I have it crossed out. That's a 0. But it's the second 0 in that chain. There's another 0 in the chain. And then this one also ends with the second 0, and this chain ends with the third 4. Okay, so to get started, take your cards, shuffle them, and then put them out in fans of 3. And remember, you can only take the top card of each fan and use it first. So to get started, we want to try to find all of the top numbers, or the first cards. So 6, 4, and 2. Let's see, I have a 6 and a 4. Right, I have a 2. Okay, then we want to try to find the next 3 numbers to start this. So another 6. Another 4, okay, I have that. And then this is going to be a 6, and I have that right here, okay? And then you start adding the 2 cards. So 6 and 6 is 12. So remember, in these solitaire games, we lay down the 1s only, we disregard the 10s. So I'm going to lay a 2 down. And then 4 and 4, that's 8. I have an 8 here. 2 and 6, that's another 8. Let's see, let's do this one. Okay, and then you go back and you add up the last 2 cards to get the next number. 6 and 2, that's 8. All right, got that. Oops, I think I just messed that up. I don't know what happened there. 4 and 8, that's 12. So we lay down a 2. 6 and 8, that's 14. Let's lay down this 4. 2 and 8, that's 10. So we're going to lay down a 0. And so here's this 0. And if you remember, this chain right here, this first chain, is finished when we reach the second 0. So the next 0 you lay down, that's the end of that chain. Okay, let me just do a few more. Let's see, this is 10, so lay down a 0. 8 and 4, another 12. Let's put this 2 down. And 4 and 2, that's 6. Let's see, I'm not going to finish this, but I think you get the idea. With this last chain, this third one, it'll be longer than the other ones, just by a little. But you see this 4, that's the first 4. And so this chain is over when you reach the third 4, okay? And you should use up all the cards by the end of it. All right, well, that's it. Just let me know if you have any questions. See you in the next video.